heartbeat stains the empty wire, a ghost of hope, a hidden fire. I feel you breathing in the dark, a fragile flame, a distant spark. Your quiet smile escapes the night, it wraps my soul in borrowed light. You hear the words I barely say, I've loved you every single day. The silence answers soft and deep, like promises too scared to keep. If I could cross this hollow space, I'd memorize your living face. No walls of glass, no endless storm, no voice imprisoned all alone. One fleeting moment by your side would calm the storms I try to hide. The world could vanish into dust, your touch would still remain apart, a falling blade through flesh and heart. You leave the line without goodbye, and every star forgets the sky. The echo dies inside the wire, extinguishing the secret fire. No map remains, no sacred sign, no road to where your shadow shines. Your vanished smile dissolves like rain, leaving crystals made of pain. A freezing tremor floods my skin, while endless winters bloom within. Again the wind becomes my name, again the night repeats the same. Alone beneath its frozen breath, I learn to dance with living death. Still I believe you're somewhere near, beyond my sight, beyond my fear. Love is the freedom not to own, but still to walk the world alone. If every choice must break my soul, I'll pay the price to make it whole. Though empty skies refuse to bend, my love survives beyond the end. Perhaps we're only dreams that speak across a silence growing weak. Perhaps no distance truly lives, only the wound that memory gives. I'll keep your voice beneath my skin, the place where all my worlds begin. No falling night can steal away the light your absence chose to stay. Whispers yours, and if tomorrow never comes, I'll still be listening.